Hey guys, how's it going? It is Smalls, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to create this YouTube banner and how to create a simple banner for your YouTube channel. And if you guys want another video where I'm covering how to create a profile picture for YouTube, let me know down in the comments. But other than that, let's get straight into how to create this YouTube banner. So once you're in the home page for Canva, you're going to want to press that search bar up top and look up YouTube banner. We're going to pick a very random template. You can pick anyone, it really doesn't matter, but we're going to pick the very first one. So once it loads, we are going to want to delete everything, especially the white first, because the canvas itself is going to be white. So we're going to go to our gallery. We're going to press this picture right here. I already have that YouTube banner downloaded, but to get this template, what you're going to want to do is go to Google, look up YouTube banner, and look at any of the templates that you like, download one of them and actually put it into your canvas in Canva. So this is going to be very useful on creating a YouTube banner or future YouTube banners. So we're going to go to our elements, pick a random square. What I'm gonna do first is change the color, because obviously I don't want it to be the exact same color as the actual template. So we're gonna go for a very nice beige color. There's is fine. So we're gonna want to fill up the whole screen with this square. So now you're probably wondering, you can't see the template. So you're gonna wanna go at the bottom, scroll all the way to the right, press transparency and turn it down to like 50. It's really up to you what you want to do. Just personally pick 25, 50, or 75, just not 100, because you're not going to be able to see the template in the back. So if you guys see on the template where it says text and logo safe area, that's where you want to put your text and your logo for other people to see it, no matter how big their screen is. That's the safe area for everyone to actually see your design. So we're going to keep that transparency on the low. We're going to go to the text box at the bottom. We're going to press this happy birthday text. You can just look it up. We're going to press this happy part. We're going to delete the element, because that's just going to delete that element from the group. So that birthday part is still going to be in there. So right here in the text area, you want to put the name of your channel. So for me, it is going to be Smalls. So we are going to want to move this close to each other. Put this in the middle. But for now, let's put that up top. Now what we want to go is go to your elements and get the circle and a square. Super simple. No, I got a line this time. You can obviously come up with better designs, but I'm just showing you guys a very simple way in coming up with your designs. Once you get the circle, you want to put it in the middle and kind of minimize the image itself, because I don't want the circle to be touching the save area, just so other people can see it. So we're going to change that color to like a nice orange. We're going to be kind of replicating my YouTube banner, but try to have some colors that actually work with each other instead of work against each other. So just make sure to keep that in mind. We're going to put this in the center. We're going to put this right there. Now we're going to want to close this off right here. We're going to want to press a nice red. I'll pick like a very nice toned red. We're going to turn that orange down, because that orange does not look nice. There you go, that's fine. And then the smalls, we're going to want to change the color to a nice green. So let me actually pick that right now. Hopefully that green does look nice. So this is really quick and easy. So once you do that, you're going to want to scroll all the way to the right, press the more button, press select multiple, and try to get the actual, oh wait, I messed it up. Try to get the text and the actual rectangle in the back, not the one with the transparency down. Once you press select multiple, scroll to the right and press group. That's just gonna make it to where both the text and the rectangle are gonna move together. So now we want to move this to the center. There you go. That looks really nice. That doesn't look too bad. Now, my YouTube banner has some cactuses. Obviously, try to have something very similar. Have some nice colors that contrast each other. The cactuses is something that you really don't have to add. You can press like the subscribe thing. You're gonna minimize that. We're not gonna add the cactuses for this video, because obviously not everyone's gonna have cactuses, and you know, these colors in their actual thing. So we're just gonna put that down there. Now let's click a very nice, graphics for like social media and stuff. We're just gonna go with the like button. Obviously this is like a Facebook like button, so obviously it's not gonna look as nice. Can I change the color though? Probably not. Let's go look for a better one. Okay, so we found one we just looked up like. I'm gonna turn that white. I'm gonna close that. Now we're gonna want to close that and kind of get it like a very good small size. I would say like right there is fine. Now we're gonna press on the actual background square right now and actually turn up the transparency all the way up to 100. So look, that doesn't look too bad. Maybe you can change the colors to like that nice red. And this one I don't think you can really change unless I can somehow group it. No, I cannot. So that's just gonna have to stay like that. Maybe you can just turn this white because it just looks off like a red like button, because that just looks like a dislike. But there you go, there's your YouTube banner. So this is a very simple way on creating a YouTube banner. Canva is probably one of the best free alternatives to create a YouTube banner, school projects, a profile picture. And this is just a simple way. If you can be a lot more creative than I did and just come up with a better design, because obviously mine's super simple, mine's not super complicated, and obviously Illustrator and Photoshop are probably the better programs to use, but those do cost money. Canva also does cost money, but that's just a subscription service. And also Canva does have a free subscription service, so that's the one that I'm using. I don't even pay for it. But now once we're done with that, we're gonna want to go to that download button on the top right, press download and save it as a PNG. Once you save it and download it, the reason why it has to be a PNG is because that's the format that YouTube wants it to be for it to be uploaded on your YouTube. Now let's go to your YouTube account real quick. So once you're on your YouTube account, you're gonna want to press this little pencil, press that little back image. You can see that it is very similar. Press that image and press that camera and press choose your photos. Press the one we just created. Zoom all the way out and you can see that I am in the safe area except my like button. My like button is a little off, but you can just move that a little upwards and you're done. You just press save. Obviously I already have my own YouTube banner, but this is the best way to create a YouTube banner on Canva. It's a super simple process. And like I said earlier in the video, if you guys want to see a video where I show you guys how to create a profile picture for your YouTube account. But anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.
It's that good feeling, show me your with it. Iced out teeth, she loves when I'm grinning.
You know I'ma tell you what to do.